Hello everybody, how are you? I am well. My name is Nick. For those of you who don't know me, I am a flight attendant. Hi, how are you? So today's something just a wee bit different. Today we're going to do subscription unboxings because I wanted to do it. Let's check it out. I got 3 different subscription unboxings. First, I have a thing called the Next Gate Thing. Little itty bitty box, but in this box it has underwear, a little bit of like health products, a couple other things. I'm not 100% sure. This one though, I'm super excited about. For those of you who can see it, it's a Japanese crate. It's the premium edition, which means it has snacks. And boy, I love snacks. Last thing, what everybody's flight attendant. If you know a flight attendant, you know we're alcoholics. So then I got a thing from Cocktail Couriers. And inside this is a subscription box about getting liquor, yada yada yada, stuff like that. So let's start. So we're gonna start with the cocktail one since it's in my hands. So the way it opens up is which way does it open up? This way. So it opens up this way. It says Cocktail Courier, some stuff on the inside. Then it opens up again. And it says, thanks for your purchase. We'll pull back a little. Thanks for your purchase, yada yada yada. Cool. Now what else do we got? We have world's best cocktails delivered straight to your door. Let's see. Ooh. In this box today we have classic blue margarita. And then guys, let me show you what it looks like. And so this is what the inside looks like. It looks like we have a little measuring cup, salt for the rim. Let's remove these. What is this? Let's pull this out. Ooh. We got silver tequila. What else we got in here? Oh, we have one right here. Oh, maybe. I can't get it out. We have, what is this? Blue curacao. And then the last thing we have, if I can grab it out, is more blue curacao. Okay, what else do we got? Oop! Sorry guys, it's been in here for a while. We got some limes. Some more limes. And guys, I'm not done. And some more limes. And some more limes. What else we got in here? And I think that's it. And guys, that's it. Alrighty guys, as you saw, it came with blue curacao, tequila, shit ton of limes. As it looks, I didn't realize that they came with fresh fruit produce in here, so I'm gonna throw those out and have to get new limes. So the ingredients that they require is 2 ounces of tequila, 0.75 ounces of blue curacao, and an ounce of lime juice. And it gives you instructions, which is really kind of neat, and then the picture, which was cool. And so then I have that. Next thing we are going to open is the Next Gate Thing. And inside this box, let me show you guys. We have this right here. It says, enjoy your treat. And it tells me everything that's in it, but we're not gonna look at that. And then we undo it, we flip it up. That's super cute. We'll start with this. This is a teeth whitening spray, so that's kind of interesting. We have 1 pack of undies. We got some cute socks. I might wear those today. And then we have, looks like personal lubricant. This is my personal preference of lubricant. I have this at home. I have Swiss Navy. The next thing we have looks like snake venom sheet mask. So that's super exciting. I'll have to definitely try that out. We have a full-size product of Mr. Pedicure's foot exfoliant masks. I'll have to try that. Never tried it. Real interesting. And last but not least, looks like we have another pair of underwear. This one looks like a jock. Ooh, and it's iridescent. Ooh, see that? Let me show you guys in a minute what these underwears look like outside the box. Alrighty guys, let's open up this first pair of undies. Let's pull it out. Ooh, okay. This is like, oh, it goes this way. Gotcha. So it opens up to look like this. Super cute, has a little iridescent. And then the back, which isn't too bad. Next, let's open up the other one from Helsinki Athletica. Ooh, I do like this bag though. I think I'm going to reuse this bag. And I got another jock. Ooh, it's a jock sort of day-to-day. So there's one in the back. So that's super exciting. Let's see. The snake venom face mask. It looks like we get one of these, maybe? One, maybe two. Looks like one because it's a single use. Same thing with the Dr. Pedicure or whatever. There's only one of these, which is cool. I would recommend this box. It was a little more on the pricier side, if I remember correctly. I think this was the most expensive box out of the three, and this is the one I was waiting on the longest. This one took forever and a half to get to me. Like, when I say forever, I'm talking literally forever. But these socks, though, definitely going to wear them tonight because I have a trip tonight. So, totally going to wear it. And finally, guys, the last thing we're gonna open is the Japanese snack box. I'm gonna let you guys get a first look too. Open it up, it says the crate, and oh my god, this is crazy. Like, let me show you guys real quick. There's a lot of stuff in here. So if we pull it around, like, dang, it is packed full of mystery goodies. So it looks like this is everything that is in the box. Let's put it up. Okay. So the first thing we got are some sort of Japanese gummies. Can't read anything. I don't read Japan. We got some bubbles. Looks like kind of like Pop Rocks. Ooh, guys, this is what I was hoping for. We got international Kit Kats. Yes! Oh, guys, look. Pikachu! They look like little Pikachu. I don't know. They say tropical fruit and soda gummies. All right. We got, I don't know, some itty bitty black candy. We have some more. Looks like sour candy. We're going to have to try that out. We got some sort of Japanese anime. If you guys know what this is, let me know. It's some sort of pink candy. Still don't know what it means. We have, looks like gum. Is it gum? Don't know. Looks like gum. Ooh, this feels hard. We got another Japanese, don't know, thing or another in green. Guys, we're gonna pull this out first. I got Doritos! They're wasabi flavor, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but guys, got Doritos. And then we got some sort of powdery gummy candy. And then we have black coffee with a little Dragon Ball Z action figure. You all know I love my coffee, so we gotta try this out. And then we have some sort of jelly. Another sort of like jelly gummy bear, which is super cute. And then we have another soda candy. They give me a lot of soda candy. And the last thing, it looks like prawn chips. So yum, 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 yum. Oh, no, I lied. That's not the last thing. I got a couple more. They were hidden. So we got this. Another sort of gummy. It looks like gummy lips. And finally, guys, looks like I have like, ooh, a piece of chocolate. Not 100% sure. It has some sort of gummy on it, but that's about it. So guys, that was my subscription boxes. I will put all the links and the prices down below because I don't know them off the top of my head. My favorite box is either gonna have to be the one I just showed you, the Japanese snack box, or the liquor, because bitch, I'm a liquor whore, as you know. The one that I didn't like the most would have probably been the next gay thing about the gay subscription box, only because it took forever. And I didn't think it was worth the price. Like, I literally ordered it on the 3rd of June? 3rd of July? I don't know. I think the 3rd of July, and it didn't get to me till like August 3rd. Today's like now. So that's not good, but yeah, it took me forever and a half for it to come in the mail. So would not recommend. But those are the 3 subscription boxes, guys. I hope you like this video. It's something a little bit different than I normally do, but I can't wait to wear these socks. Like, I think this is like the thing I'm most excited about. The socks and the Kit Kats. Like, these Kit Kats, oh my god. Oh my god, I want them. They're lychee flavored. Can't wait to try them out. So anyway, guys, this is where I'm going to wrap up the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that push bell notification so you guys can stay up to date with all my future adventures. Thanks, guys.